Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this smart band. You can check the battery level on this smart band in a couple of ways. First way is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen on your smart band, you should see the watch face, and some of the watch faces will have the battery level on them. As you can see, we have it right here. Another way is to do it is to swipe right on the home screen to open the controls menu, and here we have the battery icon with the basically the graph showing the battery level. And last option or way to check the battery level is to open the settings, and you can do it by tapping on the settings right here, or opening the menu and scrolling down and tapping on settings. And once you open the settings, you can scroll down and find the battery option, then select it, and here we have the more detailed information. We have the battery percentage, the remaining estimate for our battery, and we have around 7 days. And also, if you want to, you can try to optimize the battery by tapping on optimization, and here it will tell you if you need to optimize it or not. Okay, and once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.